Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up iPad Air 13 2026 for the first time. First of all, we have to swipe up and select the language for our iPad. Select it from the list, then select your country or region from the following list. Once you find it, simply tap on it and wait until the language is set. After that, we're gonna have to agree to some terms and conditions displayed on the following screen. Tap Continue. Then you can change your device's appearance by changing the size of the elements on your screen. Select the size you're comfortable with and tap Continue. So now we can quickly set up our iPad using, for example, your iPhone. You can simply use your iPhone that you have nearby and set up your tablet with it. It will be much quicker, but let's perform the full setup without using another device. Now, the next thing that we have to do is select the Wi-Fi network and enter the password to it to connect to it. Once you're done, tap OK and wait until you are connected. Then wait until your iPad is activated. As it says right here, it can take up to a few minutes. Once the operation is finished, tap Continue. Then select your age range. Then you can set up your Touch ID right now. We don't have to do this. We can set it up to later, but for our convenience, let's tap Continue. Let's find the sensor. It's located right here. Now, use the finger that you're planning to use to unlock your device with and just start placing it on the sensor until the pattern on your screen is filled with red color. Then tap Continue and start adding the edges of your fingerprint, literally. Just place your fingertips parts and lift it until the fingerprint is added. You can add another fingerprint, which might be useful since you might grab your iPad differently, and then, for example, it would be easier for you to use this fingertip instead of the one that you added before. So let's quickly add another fingertip. And of course, tap Continue and add the edges once again. You can basically move your fingertip on the sensor, tap Continue, and then of course create a passcode for your device. If your device's passcode is too simple, you can change it or use it anyway. And confirm it in the following on the following screen. Now, if you want to transfer your data from iCloud backup or from another device, select the respective option. Or if you don't want to transfer anything, just select Don't Transfer Anything, and then you're gonna have to sign into your Apple account. Enter your Apple account data here. So first goes the email address or phone number. Let me enter the email address. And then I'm gonna have to enter the password. And once the password is entered, press enter and wait. Now we're gonna have to verify our Apple account using another device. On your other devices, you should have gotten a code. If you didn't get it, tap Didn't Get a Code and resend the code. Then enter it right here and wait until it's confirmed. Then wait until you are signed into your Apple account. Agree to terms and conditions. and wait for a moment. After that, we'll be able to customize some of the minor settings. We can match the settings with other devices, or we can customize them for this particular tablet. Let's enable auto updates, turn on location services. Then we can set up the screen time or set it up later in settings. This is not so important. Continue with the app analytics. Continue with Siri. Now we can set up the voice recognition for Siri by saying some phrases. I'm gonna do it later as well. And if you want to improve Siri and dictation, you can share your audio and text for Siri research, or just not do it now. Tap next, continue, then choose your multitasking and window and preferences. You can change it later in settings. Right now you're gonna have to select either full screen and window apps or full screen apps. I will go with the second option. Tap continue. Then we can adjust the intensity of the liquid glass. So just select depending on your own preferences. Tap continue. Of course, this can also be changed later in settings. And after that, just tap get started. And now the setup is finished. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.